Welcome everyone, you are watching Code with Hafiz. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. As you see, in today's session, our topic is what is PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is a free open source database system that supports both relational and non-relational queries. PostgreSQL is a backend database for dynamic websites and web application. Let me show you the simplest definition of PostgreSQL. What is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is a free open source database system that supports both relational and non-relational queries. PostgreSQL is a backend database for dynamic websites and web application. PostgreSQL supports the most important programming language in today's era, the Python, Java, C, C++, C#, Node.js, Go, and Ruby. So, if you from the backend, if you as a Python developer or Java developer or ++ developer, you definitely touch with PostgreSQL. As a backend developer, you use databases for your dynamic websites and web application. So, basically the PostgreSQL is a free open source database system that supports both relational and non-relational JSON queries. The JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation and SQL stands for Standard Query Language. So the PostgreSQL will support most important languages as you see here. Let's see the simplest history of PostgreSQL. The PostgreSQL support all the features which other database supports. So Postgre history is like this. PostgreSQL was invented by the Berkeley Computer Science Department, University of California. It started as a project in 1986 with the goal of creating a database system with minimal features needed to support multiple data types. In the beginning, PostgreSQL ran on only Unix platform, but now it can run on various platforms including Windows and macOS. If you are a user of Windows or macOS, don't worry, don't take tension, you will definitely use PostgreSQL on your own system. Your own system will support PostgreSQL, and if you use this on your system, you have no problem. So this is the simple definition and short history of PostgreSQL. If any doubt you know, please comment it. Thanks for watching.